To explain the different types of chocolate out there, I've invited Thomas, master chocolatier of Lindt, to explain it a little further. I like what I see on this table.
Lots of chocolates.
Yes.
Look, we might as well just start with a plain chocolate. So this is actually the perfect sort of go-to. 70%, couple of ingredients in there. So really just cocoa, sugar, vanilla, that's it. And these are actually perfectly fine to do all your cooking with as well. So you don't need a specialized cooking chocolate to do anything. So plain chocolate, but then we can take this up a little bit further and actually flavor plain chocolate, so be that a chili or a mint, or we add ingredients like candied orange or almonds, so you have flavored chocolates.
Chili and chocolate, I mean,
good combination,
it's
right?
a good combination, and salt and chocolate too is another favourite.
Salt and chocolate, salt and caramel in chocolate is actually one of our newer ones as well. So where we do it a little bit differently, so we make a plain chocolate and then sprinkle the ingredients on top of it. You may have also heard of couverture or coverture chocolate before. So this is really a chocolate that we make for the trade. So it's basically a chocolate, it comes from the French word couvert, which means covering. So it's a little bit runnier when it's melted, and that just allows chocolates and pralines to be coated a little bit smoother. So that's the only sort of difference between a couverture and something like a plain chocolate. And of course, we can't forget Lindor. So these are actually chocolate confections. So it's almost like a chocolate truffle where we make a chocolate shell first and then a chocolate filling goes inside.
That's dangerous, and they're not allowed to come near me anymore.
Oh, I'll send them your way. So absolutely delicious. But then, look, there's even other chocolates as well. So compound chocolates that you can get as well. They're actually very little to do with chocolate because they replace the pure cocoa butter. And they are really just sort of something that you don't need to temper, but you actually get a little bit of that sort of greasy mouthfeel. And same with chocolate chips. So they're actually designed really just to make, or to keep the shape in a baked cookie. So that's not something that we do at Lindt. So if you want to do chocolate chips with real chocolate, this works just as well.
There you go. The wonderful world of chocolate. It's so interesting and it's so tasty. Thank you, Thomas.
My pleasure.